In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot beauty camera app. If you are encountering any challenge with beauty camera app, maybe the app can't open or it keeps on crashing or it is too slow, then follow these steps to fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, in the first method, we are going to access the app info page for us to fix issues with it. To do that, just go to your app and then choose app info. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same. Now, from here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of the data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go down and click on clear data and then choose clear cache and OK. Now, as you can see, we have cache data cleared. At this point, start your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed your issues. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead again and come to app info and tap on clear data, and this time around tap on clear all data and then OK. For this, you need to log in afresh for you to be able to use your app again. But should this not fix your problem, then head to the third method, and that is look for any update for your app through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of beauty camera app that might not be supported. Once you have updated, now your app should be up and running without any issue. But should you still find that your app still crashes, then you need to go ahead and uninstall this beauty camera app and then install it afresh. So that's how you can fix any issues related to beauty camera app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.